Deep within the Amazon rainforest, there's a place shrouded in mystery, a place that has scientists both fascinated and deeply concerned. It's known as the Silent Zone. Now you might be thinking, what's so scary about a quiet place? But this isn't the peaceful quiet of a library. This is an eerie, unnatural silence that hangs heavy in the air, a silence that signals something is terribly wrong. Imagine a section of the world's most vibrant ecosystem, famous for its cacophony of sounds, the calls of howler monkeys, the chirping of a million insects, the songs of countless exotic birds suddenly falling silent. That's what's happening in this mysterious zone. When researchers first ventured into this area, they expected the usual rainforest soundtrack. Instead, they were met with a profound, unsettling quiet. The animals are gone, the insects are gone. It's as if a switch has been flipped and life has just stopped. So, what's causing this? Scientists have been scrambling for answers, and the leading theory is both complex and terrifying. It points to a unique and deadly combination of factors. First, illegal mining operations in surrounding areas have been leaching toxic chemicals like mercury into the soil and waterways. These poisons don't just stay in one place. They travel, seeping into the ground and contaminating the entire food chain from the smallest insects to the largest predators. But that's not all. This region is also experiencing the effects of a strange, localized climate anomaly. Weather patterns here have become erratic and extreme. Intense, unseasonal droughts are followed by devastating flash floods. These extreme conditions are putting immense stress on the local flora. Trees and plants that have evolved over millennia to thrive in a stable environment are now struggling to survive. Many are dying off, which has a catastrophic domino effect on the animals that depend on them for food and shelter. So you have this perfect storm, a poisoned environment, and a collapsing ecosystem. The animals that haven't been directly poisoned are forced to flee in search of food and safer habitats, leaving behind a barren, silent wasteland. This isn't just a local problem either. Scientists are scared because this silent zone could be a warning sign, a preview of what could happen to other parts of the Amazon, and indeed, other vital ecosystems around the world if we don't act. The Amazon is often called the lungs of our planet, and a sickness in the lungs is a serious threat to the entire body. The silence is a scream for help. It tells a story of an ecosystem on the brink of collapse. The researchers studying this phenomenon are in a race against time. They are trying to understand the full extent of the damage and figure out if there is any way to reverse it. Can the delicate balance be restored? Can life be brought back to this silent patch of rainforest? The answers are still uncertain, but the implications are huge for all of us. The silent zone in the Amazon is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a stark and chilling reminder of our planet's fragility. It shows us how quickly a vibrant, thriving world can be silenced by human activity and environmental change. What happens in the heart of the Amazon doesn't stay in the Amazon. It affects global climate, biodiversity, and the very air we breathe. It's a wake-up call that we can't afford to ignore. Thanks for watching. If you found this topic as fascinating and important as we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the mysteries of our world. See you next time.